let's have a chat about Hermes. I will be unboxing some items that I have recently picked up from Hermes. Not all of the items were purchased from Hermes directly. I did purchase one of the items from Fashion File, and this is based off of a video that I published where I discussed purchasing items through the Reserve. So let's get started. So the first item that I wanted to discuss is my Oasis sandals in the gold. Now they're out of the box because I have already worn them, you guys. And I tried so hard to not wear them so I can unbox it with you guys, but I can't. I genuinely, I can't. I've been trying to break them in because, whoa, that was a thing. And I didn't have the same experience that I did with the white ones. And there is a part of me that kind of thinks that I should have gone up a size. I did go ahead and pick them up in a size 38.5, which is the same size as my white Oasis. But I have put on some weight over the COVID years, and so I'm way closer to a size 16 than I have been in a while. They fit when I put them on, right? They fit just like the other ones, but when I walked in them, these really hurt my feet, and I really did wish that I had gone with a size 39. Now I'm wearing them a little bit differently now to finish the break-in period. The first time that I broke in my Oasis, I was running my quick errands, and I feel that that is the best way to break in a pair of shoes is when you're running really short errands. So I basically put them on here in my room, and then I walk downstairs and I take my girls to the car. And then if I need to run into a store or do something really quickly, then I come home and I take them off. And then when I go back out to pick them up, I put them on again and I walk down the stairs and I drive in them. So that is how I recommend that you guys break in a shoe. That is much better. But these I actually wore out, and me and my husband went shopping, and I just, oh my God, I felt so bad for my husband. I can't even have a good time because I am in excruciating pain wearing these, and he just couldn't believe that I was doing that to myself. So these have been really hard for me to break in, but I feel like I'm doing a lot better now. I really love this color. I am having a complete and total love affair with this color. These were in my wish list, so I picked these up from the Rodeo Drive store. They did not have them in stock, so they had to order them for me, but I'm completely obsessed with these. So yeah, I am super glad that I bought these. I did want to discuss something that I saw someone else talk about. I have gone ahead and put sole protector on these because I really love them. I noticed it with my white Oasis. I really messed up the leather here in the front, and like that hurt my heart so much. I'm someone who thinks like shoes are meant for walking, so I'm not trying to like be a ridiculous person that I don't want to see these like have any wear. Shoes are meant to be worn. I love the leather stretching on shoes. I love when I wear shoes on repeat, but because I've been buying shoes for 20 years, I have really realized that you need to put sole protectors on leather shoes because you can really damage them. And if you love them, you take care of them. I'm not saying don't wear them, don't try to not crease them. Wear your shoes, just put sole protectors. And this, I have trust issues, so I don't like to go to a cobbler. I know Oksana had an issue with one of her Chanel shoes, and I see reviews from like shoe cobblers and stuff, and sometimes their shoes get messed up, and I cannot, you guys. And the cost is exorbitant, and I don't like that it's like $30 a pop in order to have your shoes sold or resold. And this is such an easy way for you to like sole your shoes. I'm gonna try to find the video that I saw someone talking about this, but in the review page of this product, it also says that a lot of people use them as sole protectors. So I'll go ahead and link that for you guys. It's so far, I have actually walked in these already, and I walked with these before putting this on. So I'm really thrilled, and it's see-through, so it doesn't really change anything. But yeah, I'm really loving these so much. Now, this is an item that I purchased online. Don't have a problem with purchasing items from Hermes online. I tried this on in store. They had it in rose gold. I'm talking about the Kelly bracelet. And this is something that I did initially purchase from Fashion File. They had a beautiful alligator, the alligator version that I wanted. They have a lot of alligator on Fashion File if that's something that is of interest to you. It's priced insanely good, you guys. It is so good. If they still have this one, that's the one that I ended up canceling. This version in alligator, but it was a T2. When I went in store, I was able to try on a T2 and it was just too tight, which I was not expecting at all. Based on Oksana's reviews, I really thought that I would be a T2, but no, I am a T3, and I had to order this online. There was only one, which is what my client advisor told me at Hermes, and I was able to order this. And again, I'm having like an obsession with this color, and I don't know where it came from, but I have a size 6.5 wrist, and I had to do a T3 with this. Now, when I first purchased it, was like, so I'm gonna take off my real jewelry to put on this like leather non-gold jewelry, but I end up moving my bracelet over here, and I actually really like that. So that is what that looks like on my wrist. I do keep it on the last setting. I really love that this doesn't have anything underneath. I tried on the CDC, but it is like lopsided, which the sales associate didn't understand what I was talking about. I think that this is supposed to fit you center, and then this is supposed to be directly centered at the bottom. And when you have your right size, that's supposed to happen, but it only happens on this last, I'm not sure if it's first or last, and I have to keep it on the last one. So if I keep it on the last one, it's not centered and it's off centered, and that really bothered me. I decided that the CDC was not for me for that reason, and then I really liked how this looked. It is really, really beautiful, and again, it is the obsession that I have with this color. I would love to get this in an alligator. That would be epic. I think it's gorgeous in alligator. Like I said, I was crushed to have to cancel my Fashion File order for the alligator version. This it may still be available if, like I said, if any of you are interested, but yeah, I did purchase this online. So one of my purchases is from the boutique, one of them is from online, and the last one is from Fashion File. So let me show you that now. These I never discussed. Let me open them. I have worn these once, and I'm obsessed with them, you guys. They were brand new in excellent giftable condition, and they are the Dare sneakers. Now, I had seen these because of my friend's sneakers, which have shearling on the inside, which are very, you know, fall winter sneaker. However, I didn't care. I mean, I will wait for fall to wear them. It's still kind of chilly. We're back and forth with the weather here, so I did wear them once. They are so cool, you guys. They look exactly like my voltage sneakers, except the H is bigger, and again, they have shearling. I love my voltage sneakers, and when my friend showed me hers, I was like, those are like just like my voltage sneakers, except they have shearling, and I had to have them. I love these sneakers. These are like my favorite sneakers that I have now. I was not planning on buying sneakers. I had no intentions of adding any more. Like I've said before, I'm not a sneakerhead, you guys. So sneakers are not something that like really excite me, and these really, really excited me. There's something very elevated about this style, and I just really, really love them. And I did get them under retail from Fashion File, not by a whole lot, but definitely under retail by, I want to say $40 or something like that. I kept my eye out for this item in my size on the Hermes website. They never had them in my size. And I did purchase these in a 39. Unlike my sandals, those are in 38.5. And these fit me perfectly. I want to say that the 39 voltage sneakers actually fit me a little bit big, but again, I have since gained some weight, so I should try on my voltage sneakers to see like how they're fitting me lately, because I have not worn them. I wore them last year. I haven't worn them yet this year. But these I did wear, and they fit me perfectly, like they were made for my foot. I was so bummed out that they were not coming back in stock, and I just thought, I really want these sneakers. And I remember Kimmy mentioning a lot of people buying a lot of stuff from Hermes and then reselling it because they're just trying to meet their quota. And there's so many deals to be had when it comes to Hermes on Fashion File, obviously on non-Kellys and Birkins, but honestly, you can get, I know my friend got another pair of sneakers for like $500. Honestly, it's such a like a treasure chest at Fashion File when it comes to Hermes non-bags. But I highly recommend that you guys check out Fashion File when it comes to like their shoes, Hermes accessories. You guys can really get great deals under retail. And I think that that is really the smart way to shop Hermes. And again, specifically, if you love the brand, if you love certain items, you can often find them on Fashion File for under retail. And I just think, like, what a score. I was so happy to get those because I'm not sure if they're going to bring those back, and I still got them under retail. So that to me is really exciting. So that is all for my Hermes haul, you guys. It's not like a whole lot of items. However, I am thrilled with the items that I have picked up. I know that they're good items when I've already worn them. I've worn this out already. I've worn my Oasis sandals out already, and I have worn those sneakers out already. So that is a really good purchase in my opinion. I am completely obsessed with these items, and I'm looking forward to adding additional items from Hermes. I do have a couple of items on my wish list over at Hermes, so we will see how that goes. I will update you, but I did want to share these items with you again, especially because if any of these items are of interest to you, you can get really good deals on them at Fashion File. So that is it for today, you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will chat with you guys later. Bye.